वेलकम टू माय चॅनल लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू मराठी. पावसामुळे सामना रद्द झाला. The match was cancelled due to rain. The match was cancelled due to rain. ट्रॅफिकमुळे मला उशीर झाला. ट्रॅफिकमुळे मला उशीर झाला. I was late due to traffic. I was late due to traffic. आजारामुळे तो शाळेत गेला नाही. He did not go to school due to illness. He did not go to school due to illness. वीज नसल्यामुळे काम थांबले. The work stopped due to the power cut. The work stopped due to the power cut. थंडीमुळे लोक घरातच राहिले. People stay at home due to the cold. People stay at home due to the cold. अपघातामुळे रस्ता बंद झाला. The road was closed due to an accident. The road was closed due to an accident. पैशांच्या कमतरतेमुळे तो शिक्षण पूर्ण करू शकला नाही. He could not complete his education due to lack of money. जोरदार वाऱ्यामुळे झाड पडले. जोरदार वाऱ्यामुळे झाड पडले. The tree fell due to strong wind. The tree fell due to strong wind. गैरसमजामुळे त्यांच्यात भांडण झाले. They had a fight due to a misunderstanding. They had a fight due to a misunderstanding. उशिरामुळे ट्रेन सुटली. The train left due to the delay. The train left due to the delay. खराब हवामानामुळे विमान उशिरा आले. The flight arrived late due to bad weather. कामाच्या ताणामुळे तो थकला आहे. He is tired due to work pressure. He is tired due to work pressure. नियमांमुळे आम्हाला तिथे जाण्याची परवानगी नाही. We are not allowed to go there due to the rules. चुकांमुळे त्याला शिक्षा झाली. He was punished due to his mistakes. वेळेअभावी मी तुझी भेट घेऊ शकलो नाही. I could not meet you due to lack of time. पाण्याअभावी शेतीचे नुकसान झाले. The crops were damaged due to lack of water. मोठ्या आवाजामुळे मला झोप लागली नाही. I could not sleep due to the loud noise. थकव्यामुळे ती लवकर झोपली. She slept early due to tiredness. काम जास्त असल्यामुळे तो व्यस्त आहे. He is busy due to too much work. खराब रस्त्यामुळे प्रवास कठीण झाला. The journey became difficult due to the bad road. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.